This weekend marks the start of the Italian Championship, and that means we get to see the final three of the new manufacturers. We've seen Triumph, we've seen Beta, and now we get to see how well Ducati does in racing form. Obviously, if it's anything like the road bikes at the moment or MotoGP, it's going to be hilariously dominant. But we'll save that. But I want to hear from the comments below. You guys tell me. One, do you think this is a top 5 bike, top 10 bike, maybe a championship winning contending bike? Who knows? And the funny thing is, Antonio Crowley, who's basically been the test rider for this bike, I guess you ought to say it, he actually might be racing it at a few appointments this year. Probably not this one, as far as I'm reading, but you could see something maybe. Alessandro Lupino is going to be the one mainly piloting this thing, but it's kind of neat to see. This is another big factory squad with full support, full sponsorship. It's not going to be some little project, let's put it that way. And I fully expect it to be fast. I mean, Ducati, everything they're making at the moment is rocket ships. So if this thing follows anywhere near what the road bikes are doing, it's going to be super competitive, and I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to see it over there. I'm excited to see it in mxgp, and I'm really excited to see it when it comes over to the US for Supercross and Motocross, because again, another team, more money, more rides, more opportunities, and also just competition. Who knows? But I don't know. You guys tell me. Like I said, comment down below. Where do you think it finishes? Is it going to be oh my God, look at this thing, it's going to be a contender right away? Or, oh, look at all the problems they're going to have to figure out? But I don't know. You guys tell me. I'd like to know, and I'd like to have the conversation. So go down below, comment whatever you want to think. While you're there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.